Breakups are hard. They can feel like rock bottom, like a midlife crisis. And when that happens, you have a choice. You can either dwell in the past or you can do something about it. As a man, there's a few different ways you could cope with the pain of a breakup. One path is not the good one. You could sedate with drugs and alcohol. You could sit around and smoke pot and play video games. You could use porn to fight off the loneliness. Or you could download Tinder and try to find the next girl to fill the void. But none of those are the right path. The path that I took when I went through my breakup was the self-improvement path. Pain can be a great motivator. It can really make you want to change your life. It's not comfortable to sit around and be lonely and dwell and think about all the good times you had with your girlfriend and now she's gone. So for my own story, well, I was in a 10-year relationship and my girlfriend cheated on me. She moved out while I was at work. I came home to an empty house. So keep in mind, I was only 32, so 10 years of my life, that's a third of my life in a relationship. And I come home to an empty house. I was completely crushed. I didn't know what to do. I was lost. So I decided to follow in my dad's footsteps, what I saw him go through when he went through a divorce. And the first thing I did was start lifting weights. I got his weights from him. I started jogging. I needed to do something with that pain. I needed to use it in a productive way. I didn't know anything about lifting weights or working out or how to eat healthy. That's why I was overweight to begin with. So I went on YouTube and watched a bunch of videos. I bought a bunch of books and I just read and studied and I taught myself everything I could about lifting weights, about nutrition, about exercise. Within the first couple months, I lost 60 pounds. Within a year, I was 120 pounds down from my highest weight ever. I was in the best shape of my life. I felt like a whole new man. That did a lot for my confidence. And not only for my confidence, but it helped me work through my pain. It helped me work through my emotions. Pain is fuel, and it felt good to go in the gym and just channel it and burn it up. Starting to work out and lift weights was one of the best things I could ever do for myself. It helped me increase my confidence. It helped me like myself better. It helped me like the way I look. Helped me feel better. But it wasn't just a weight loss. I wanted to level up every area of my life. I've done a lot for my growth and I pushed the edge of my comfort zone every day. Every single day I was trying to be better than I was yesterday. I became addicted to self-improvement. And you know what? That's not a bad thing to be addicted to. A lot of people want to get back at their exes. They want to get back at the people that left them. There's one good way to do that. And that's by becoming so fucking awesome that they would regret ever leaving you. And that was my motivation to begin with. The next thing I did was find my tribe. I needed a support group. I invested in myself. I bought a life coaching program for men, a support group for men that were going through breakups just like me. That group led me down the path of self-improvement. It showed me how to level up all the other areas, not just my body. I learned how to sit with my pain. I learned how to feel my emotions and process them. I learned how to heal my trauma. And once I started to heal, I realized I wasn't self-improving to get revenge on her. I was doing it for myself. Because I've always wanted to be the best version of myself that I could be. I developed a routine, I developed discipline. I started reading books and educating myself. I learned everything I could about relationships and self-improvement as a man. I started meditating every day. I meditated for 20 minutes every day for like 160 something days in a row without missing it. That really helped me develop my intuition. It helped me be able to feel people's energy better. It helped me understand myself better. I started journaling every day too. Once in the morning, once at night. That helped me process my thoughts, helped me process my emotions, understand what's going on with me and what I want in life. I learned how to set goals. I learned how to create a vision for what I want in life. You know, figuring out what you want in life when you go through a midlife crisis, when you thought you had everything and then it's gone, it's not easy. It's a process. If you don't know what you want in life, how do you know where to focus your efforts? I spent a lot of time reading books to learn about myself. I took a lot of personality tests to see what I was good at and what I'm not good at. Another thing I did was create a bucket list, all the awesome things I wanted in life, and I turned it into a vision board where I looked at it every day. As a man, you need direction in life. We're creators, we make shit happen, but if we don't have a vision, we're lost. I learned a lot about being a man from that group. I learned a lot about life from this experience. And it turns out that breakup was the best thing that ever happened to me. That relationship wasn't the right one for me. I was never going to be happy long term in that. And luckily for me, she gave me no choice and left. Sometimes life's going to be hard, but you can never give up. You always have to push forward. You always have to go towards creating a better future. If you're going to become addicted to anything, become addicted to self-improvement. Become addicted to being the best version of yourself you can be. Level up your body. Level up your mindset. Level up your relationships. Build a tribe of people who are trying to go somewhere in life. Find a support group of other men that are going to lift you up. They're going to call you out on your shit. They're going to tell you where you're fucking up. But they're also going to be there to hear you when you're struggling. If you're a guy and you need a support group like that, click the link in the description and join my Facebook group. I want to be there to help other guys that are struggling and going through things like this. You're not alone. You know, I'm no expert. My midlife crisis was 4 years ago, and I've really transformed my life since then, and I just want to help the guys that are a little bit behind me. If I can save you some struggle with the knowledge and the things that I've learned over the past 4 years, then that's what I want to do. 4 years ago, I would have had so much anxiety, there's no way I'd be speaking on camera. And I'm not that great at speaking yet, but I plan to. I'm going to practice it every day. This isn't comfortable for me, but this is another way to push my comfort zone, because I'm never going to stop improving. I'm always going to be trying to be the best that I can be. And one of the things I want to get better at is speaking. And that starts with telling my story. So I'll be sharing more parts of my story in future videos. So I hope these help you. And if they do, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.